How to get more FPS in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, open Roblox and then go ahead and adjust the graphics mode on your game and make sure not to use inverted camera as this will help in clearing input of your game. Further, go ahead and make sure to close all the background apps. So before opening the Roblox application, close everything in the background and avoid using screen recording or overlays while playing in order to clear the background noise. You can then go ahead and try to reduce your phone load by simply enabling airplane mode if you are playing offline games. Also, make sure to ensure a strong Wi-Fi connection, and you can also disable Bluetooth if Bluetooth is not required at that particular moment. You can then try to lower your screen brightness slightly, which will reduce thermal throttling. Also, if your phone is overheated, make sure not to play while charging, and you can also try to remove your phone cases if it's very hot, and you can also take short breaks between the sessions. And if your iPhone has low storage, it is very obvious that your game will lag, so make sure that you have ensured at least 3 to 5 GB free space on your iPhone or your Android, and you can also try to simply restart your iPhone regularly. Also, make sure that you are connected to a very stable internet. So use a strong Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and you can stay close to your router. Also, make sure to update your Roblox game regularly from your App Store or your Play Store. So these were a few ways on how you can get more FPS in Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.